Hello everyone, welcome to JAIIB CAIIB English Medium. First of all, happy Janmashtami everyone, and as you know, this is our Manthan series where we are completing important topics from your individual units. So as you can see, today we are going to start chapter 23, Business Analytics as Management Tool. So this is your module D which we are currently doing. And remember, if you want to start your preparation for JAIIB or for CAIIB 25, then remember this is your last chance because after that you have only September and October. Yes, so make sure if your friends and colleagues who are preparing for JAIIB, please inform them that currently you are that registration window for JAIIB is going on, and that will close on 22nd August. Yes, and for CAIIB, your registrations will be starting from 2nd October. So make sure you are giving this information to required candidates, and then let's start today's session. So first, let's talk about business analytics. So under this business analytics, if you see the meaning, so this is the process of transforming data into insights to improve business decisions. Now you know you can collect data from so many different sources. Yes, you can collect your data from newspaper, you can collect data from social sites, yes, from any company site you can collect the data. Yes, from government site you can collect the data. But every data which you have collected, that is important for you every time? The answer is no. Yes, though you are collecting required data, but which is specific, which is required for your business, you need to process it. For required data, you need to do processing of this data. Correct? So when you are doing the processing, when you are transferring data, means different inputs, all these are different inputs into some insights to improve business decisions. Ultimately, you will make one summary, one report. From that summary, you are going to, continue your decision making. Yes, suppose if I am a cement factory industry. Yes, suppose here I am cement industry. Now, every information like what is going on bank, what is going on pharma industry, that is relevant for my business? The answer is no. Yes, so though I have seen so many different inputs, but every information, every given detail is not for my business. I will see if any news is related to my cement plant, that cement industry. If yes, then only I'm going to take that data and I'm going to process it. And how that information will affect my business. As a management, I need to make that decision. Yes, that is what? That is your business analytics. Correct? Now, data management, data visualization, predictive modeling, data mining, forecasting, simulations, optimization are some of the tools you can use to create insights from data. So these are the other ways through which you can create this business analytics. Yes, so we have completed first thing, which is definition. Now this is very important because in your previous attempts, they have asked a case study based on this. Okay, so now let's start with types of analytics. So you have 4 types of analytics. First one, descriptive. This is your one. Second is your diagnostic. Third is your predictive. Fourth is your prescriptive. You have 4 types of analytics. First one, descriptive, diagnostic, predictive, prescriptive. These are the 4 different types of analytics. Now let's start with the first one, which is a descriptive analytics. Means interprets historical data and KPIs, means key performance indicators, to find pattern and trend. Descriptive analytics. Yes, suppose let's take example of Zomato. Okay, everyone knows this company. Yes, now let's take example for this. Now on Monday, during their team meeting, they have identified that on last Saturday, there was huge rush on this platform. Yes, there was huge rush. There was huge orders on this platform. Yes, so on this team meeting on Monday, they are discussing now what actually happened on Saturday. Yes, so that time they are saying they got many orders. Yes, because that time that World Cup was scheduled on Saturday. Okay, so you have identified that during your meeting, you're talking about Saturday, that last Saturday. That day there was huge order and huge demand, because of which there were, inefficient services. We have received so many mails, we have received so many phone calls. Yes, we have received so many feedbacks, and majority of the feedbacks were negative. This is what you have analyzed, means this is your descriptive. This is a descriptive, that what happened on Saturday, why we were getting negative feedbacks. Oh, because of World Cup. But that is the only reason? No. So now your next step will come, diagnostic. Yes, diagnostic. Now diagnostic means examines past performance. Now why we received negative feedback? So in that time you have seen that not proper delivery, or you can say no on-time delivery. Yes, no on-time delivery. Yes, then you have seen food issues, some, correct? So these are the major two issues which you have received. Yes, so this is what you have taken from your descriptive analysis. Now, next, diagnostic analysis means past performance. What reasons were there because of which no proper on-time delivery was there or food issues was there? So for this no on-time delivery, you have identified that because of heavy traffic, yes, plus heavy rainfall, there was no on-time delivery. Along with this, less number of, delivery boys. So, when you are identifying the reasons, yes, now you are identifying the reasons. What reasons you have identified? Because of heavy traffic, heavy rainfall, less number of delivery boys. So that is your diagnostic analysis. Okay, when you are identifying the reasons behind that, that is your because of delivery boys. Then next is your predictive analytics. Predictive analytics means now you are going to predict future outcome. In that team meeting, you have seen last Saturday. Yes, what happened on last Saturday? But one of your team members says that on this coming Saturday, yes, again we have World Cup finale. Yes, means on this upcoming Saturday, again heavy demand will be there. Again, lots and lots of customers are going to place their order. This is what you are predicting. Yes, based on statistics, based on past performance, now you're predicting this. That is your predictive analytics. And prescriptive analytics means how you can, deal with that heavy orders without any compromise. Yes, you can appoint more number of delivery boys. Yes, you can do that. Or to deal with that heavy traffic, at least you can give, that EV, that electronic vehicles to your delivery boys so that they can reach that destination in a faster manner. Or you can divide this delivery boys into area wise. Yes, these are the precautions you can take for upcoming Saturday. Yes, so when you are using these 4 things, you are doing different types of analytics. So what are the 4 things we have completed here? Descriptive analytics, diagnostic analytics, predictive analytics, and prescriptive analytics. So descriptive means historical data, key in performance indicators to find patterns and trend. Then diagnostic analytics means you are examining your past performance. Yes, tools that you can use like drill down analysis, data discovery, data mining, correlation analysis. Why? Reasons you are identifying. Or that you can see next one, that is predictive analytics. Means here you are going to use statistics, machine learning for upcoming future outcome. Yes, and last one is your prescriptive analytics. Means here you are going to, predict and you are going to recommend action. Yes, you are going to recommend action. So these are the 4 things which is very important in this unit. That is 4 types of, yes, analytics: descriptive, diagnostic, predictive, and prescriptive. Now coming to your next part of this unit, which is elements of business analytics. So again you have 5 different types of elements: data mining, text mining, data aggregation, forecasting, data visualization. Data mining, text mining, data aggregation, forecasting, data visualization. Yes, so these are the 5 types of elements under your business analytics. Now let's start with data mining. So data mining means what? Data mining means when you are searching. Yes, data mining means that the process when you are searching through big data sets in order to find patterns, in order to find relationships that are going to be analyzed for assisting into the resolution of issue that arise in commercial enterprises. Like in your factory, suppose there is a, customer relationship issue. Okay, your customers are not happy with your feedback, with your, solutions which you are providing. So then you will take this data mining step. You will see how your competitors are dealing with their customers. You will see how other companies are dealing with their customers. Yes, you will try to identify that benchmark. So for that identification, you are going to do what? Searching process. You will search from different platforms. You will talk with different experts how to deal with that customer relationship. Okay, and after that, when you're finding the solution and when you're implementing in your business, and finally you can say that yes, this is how we can resolve our issue. That is what data mining talks about. Now under this you have the process which you can use here: data collection, preparation, mining process, and interpretation and analysis of data. So these are the 4 things which you need to remember under data mining process: data collection, data preparation, data mining process, interpretation, and analysis of data. Yes, so this is your data mining. Now, what are the benefits of data mining? First, it increases productivity because you are finding solution for your problem. Yes, so that will increase productivity, that will improve quality of service, then improvements in the management of the supply chain. Yes, so you will see improvements in your supply chain. Supply chain means here is a wholesaler, then your retailer. Yes, before wholesaler you have manufacturer. So this is your supply chain. Yes, at least you can now solve your relationship with your even customers. So this will again, improve your supply chain. You can easily communicate in your that chain. Then production time, you can see that is going to reduce, stronger risk management and reduction in cost. Okay, increased production uptime means you are now producing for more number of hours. Yes, that is what uptime, and reduction in your cost. So these are the benefits of data mining. Now, coming to the next type of element, which is your text mining. Now, text mining means here you are going to process unstructured data into structured format. Okay, suppose if I am working in a very crucial space, like if I am raw agent, so I cannot send direct messages, I cannot inform directly what is going on or what's the problem I can see right now. I will send in some code words. Yes, so when I'm sending any data in code words, that is unstructured text. That is what? Unstructured text. And as soon as that authorized person, yes, who actually knows how to read the code, that person translate or converts it into meaningful data, then that is structured format. That is what? Structured format. Means when you are converting unstructured data or text or code into a structured format. That is what? Text mining. Yes, that is what? Text mining. Through that you can identify the patterns and you can prepare your fresh insights. So that is your text mining. Now, next is your companies are able to investigate and identify hidden links within their unstructured data when they employ advanced analytical approaches. When companies are using advanced approaches, they are dealing with unstructured data like Navy base and support vector mechanism SVM, other deep learning algorithms. So these are your text mining element. Okay, now in exam they are asking direct questions based on this. So remember, module D is all about your theory. Yes, and if you want to revise your theory, if you want to complete your theory with the proper examples, with proper understanding, you can join our paid batches. Now remember one thing, ABFM is not only about theories, that also includes your numerical part. Like module B and C, purely that is numerical part. And in exam, they are asking numerical as well as theory part. So, if you want to clear this CAIIB December 25 in your first attempt, then you can join our batches. Okay, because without proper planning, without proper guidance, you cannot clear in your first attempt. Yes, because you are not aware that which is important topic, which you need to do more practice. But as an expert faculty here, we have seen so many attempts. And we know which are the important points which we need to work on first. So the same thing you can do by enrolling in our batches. See, you need to visit to our official website, that is ADDA 24/7. If you scroll it down, you can see here you have JAIIB and CAIIB tab. Just click on CAIIB December 25 tab. And after that, you can see here CAIIB Mahapack, Increment Mahapack, Officers Pro Batch. This one is your English one, this one is your bilingual one. But the perfect batch which you require to clear your this CAIIB December 25, that is your CAIIB Mahapack 2.0. Yes, your increment ka sathi. So in that you are going to receive conceptual batches, you are going to receive crash courses in which we will be completing everything in a very fast manner. Apart from that, you will be getting, revision classes as well. So this is your CAIIB Mahapack 2.0. Now, if you enroll it today, you are going to receive maximum discount. The discount after that you can see here, that is going to be very less amount. But for that, you need to use one coupon code, that is Y895. Now, as soon as you are applying this coupon code, you can see here you are receiving maximum discount, and now you need to pay only 6,162 rupees. Yes, that is the discount up to 82%. Only this benefit we are providing? The answer is no. You are also going to receive additional thing, that is 15 months validity. So these are the two things you are going to receive when you use the coupon code Y895. So start your preparation early so that you can do the revision on time, you can practice on time, and you can clear in a first attempt. So with this, now